see the amount of crud that it's flushing out of the lines. Well, I'm flushing the fuel lines out on the Plymouth, and I figured I might as well do a really short video on how I do this. As long as your fuel lines aren't rusted out, usually you can clean them out. And so what I have here is an electric fuel pump just sitting in a small bucket. You can use whatever solvent you want. Even just gasoline works out pretty well. And all you have to do is just loop your fuel lines. So if you have a return style fuel system, this is even easier. In this case, we have a carbureted non-return fuel setup. So that's the fuel line that normally goes to the fuel pump right there. And I just have a rubber line coming off of that, rubber fuel line, and it's going into the bucket. And so that's the fuel that you see coming out right there. And I'm actually running the pressure off the top of the fuel pump here to where the fuel tank normally is, right there. And all you do is you just sit here and recirculate whatever kind of cleaning agent you want until you're satisfied. So I did evapo rust to get any rust out of the lines, and then I've just been running a couple different solvents, and now we're just with gasoline. So you can run this as long as you want, and that is a great way to clean out the fuel lines on whatever vehicle you're working on. So I did a video years ago on how to do this with a fuel injection setup that uses a return line, and like I said, it is a little bit easier. So I guess I could link that down below. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks for watching.